New hybrid propulsion system enhances mission endurance and versatility. Aeronautics Ltd, a manufacturer of unmanned aerial systems (US) for defense and homeland security markets, has launched the Hybrid Octoper trademark, a tactical multi-rotor US equipped with a hybrid propulsion system. The announcement was made ahead of Eurosatory 2024, where the system will be showcased. The Hybrid Octoper trademark introduces a significant advancement in tactical US capabilities, boasting a mission endurance of up to 4 hours and supporting multiple payloads. By combining fuel combustion with electric power, this system addresses the limitations of conventional electric UAVs, reducing the frequency of battery replacements and UAV swaps while maintaining persistent surveillance in complex missions. Dan Slasky, President and CEO of Aeronautics, highlighted the significance of this development. As part of our strategy to provide cutting-edge solutions for the tactical domain, the Hybrid Octoper marks a significant leap in the heavy multi-rotor UAV product space. With its extended hovering capability, enhanced situational awareness, and seamless integration of diverse payloads, it enables maximum mission versatility and flexibility. The Hybrid Octoper trademark features a generator as its main energy source, which enhances mission endurance and includes a backup battery for 10 minutes of stealth flight. This backup system offers in-flight engine on/off capability and provides 4,000 watts of continuous power. The drone's design supports high survivability and integrates smoothly with various sensors, payloads, radar systems, and more. It operates from the customer's C4I capabilities, supporting autonomous landing, GPS-denied navigation, and encrypted communication. Established in 1997, Aeronautics has built a reputation for its extensive portfolio of U.S. solutions, backed by continuous research and development. The company's products are designed to meet the needs of intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions, offering innovative systems for modern battlefields.